Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Steady.com. Are you gearing up to take the Physical Education Content and Design exam? This is Praxis test code 5095. This important certification exam encompasses several key subtopics. In this video, we will zero in on the subtopic of planning, instruction, and student assessment. Join me as we explore the types of questions you can expect to see on the exam. Problem number 1. What is an important consideration when selecting resources for a physical education curriculum? The cost of the resources, the availability of the resources in the school library, the alignment of the resources with the curriculum goals, or the popularity of the resources among students. When selecting resources for a physical education curriculum, it's crucial to prioritize some factors over others. The availability of resources in the school library, while convenient, doesn't ensure they fit the curriculum. Popular resources among students might not align with educational goals. Cost is important, but focusing solely on it can compromise quality. The most critical factor is the alignment with curriculum goals. Resources that match educational objectives help students meet learning outcomes and develop necessary skills. In conclusion, while availability, popularity, and cost matter, aligning resources with curriculum goals is paramount for an effective physical education experience. Problem number 2. Which of the following strategies can be used to assess a student with a physical disability in a physical education setting? Focusing on the student's disability rather than their abilities, relying solely on traditional testing methods, employing alternative assessment methods, or comparing the student's performance to non-disabled peers. Comparing them to non-disabled peers creates unfair standards. The most effective approach is using alternative assessment methods tailored to their abilities, providing a more accurate measure of their skills and development. This creates an inclusive environment that supports the diverse abilities of all students. Problem number 3. What is the best way to ensure safety when students are using gym equipment for the first time? Show a video of correct usage, then let students use the equipment. Demonstrate the correct usage of the equipment, then supervise students as they try. Allow students to explore the equipment freely, or give students a handbook with instructions on correct usage. When ensuring safety for students using gym equipment for the first time, the most effective approach is to demonstrate the correct usage and then supervise them. Videos and handbooks cannot address individual questions or correct mistakes in real time, and allowing free exploration is risky. Demonstrating techniques firsthand and providing immediate feedback ensures students use the equipment safely and correctly. Problem number 4. Which of the following activities would most effectively improve cardiovascular endurance? Walking for 10 minutes, sprinting for 30 seconds, jogging for 30 minutes, or lifting weights? To improve cardiovascular endurance, choose activities that provide sustained aerobic exercise. Walking for 10 minutes benefits general health, but is too brief for significant impact. Sprinting for 30 seconds boosts anaerobic capacity, but is also too short. Lifting weights builds muscular strength, not cardiovascular fitness. jogging for 30 minutes is the most effective, offering prolonged, moderate intensity exercise that strengthens the heart and lungs. I hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the types of questions related to planning, instruction, and student assessment for the Praxis 5095 exam. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com's guidance, you will feel confident and well prepared for exam day. Best of luck as you continue your preparation journey.